Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Utirelo posted a video that was like a recap for 2025, which I feel like a lot of people, especially content creators, do, right? So she put a few videos together, including some videos from Izingani's temple when she was going through it, and she captioned it by saying, and I quote, "What was meant to destroy me in 2025 became my testimony. Betrayal pushed me back to God, back to school, and into my purpose. I started my influencer career, partnered with big brands, and proudly became a JCO ambassador. Even with the hate, grace covered me. 2026, I am expecting greater. Thank you, Banyana Baka." She couldn't say anything less. I-girlfriend kaMpumelelo Mseleko. Yes, I agree with her. She took all of that hate and she turned it into something positive for herself, something that she could benefit from, she could live off of, because she has also said even on the show that Umpumelelo Mseleko does not do anything for her, including the baby. Umpumelelo does not do anything for Vuyokas's kids. So for the child that lives with him, or that lives with his mother, he does nothing for. Okay. That's why the two girls are working hard. But today we are talking about Tirelo, right? I feel like she is a hard worker. One thing about Tirelo, why am I Mangwana Ocean? She is who she thinks she is. She is a hard worker. I feel like she is going to become a Makumalo, a junior Makumalunyana, when it comes to the wife, if she agrees to get married or Mpumelelo marries her. She's one or she took all of that and partnered with big brands. She is what people were discouraging her to be. Let's be honest. We should give credit where it's due. This girl is a hard worker. This girl definitely showed us that she beat all of the odds. She was not going to become a lousy makoti, that the one that we thought that she would, because of honestly, she is a definition of ubekezela, this girl. She is a true definition of ubekezela, Tirelo. But she's bekezeling while she's working, she's bekezeling while she's going to school. Not every woman who is with a man on bekezelang will do that or will say that. So congratulations to her, and I can't wait to see what else she does in 2026. I mean, she's going to reach the level of Mitlali very soon if we are not careful. But congratulations to her, and yeah, hope to see you partnering with bigger brands in 2025. I mean, in 2026, sorry.